The harvest begins with a precise and practiced cut. Only the strongest gems are chosen for industrial processing. The harvest begins with a precise and practiced cut. Thousands of stems move from field to factory every single day. Thousands of stems move from field to factory every single day. Powerful transport systems keep the harvest moving without delay. Each trailer carries the raw foundation of the entire operation. Each trailer carries the raw foundation of the entire operation. Even tropical storms cannot stop the constant harvest cycle. Inside every stem lies the hidden structure that drives production. Inside the scale of the operation grows with every passing hour. The raw harvest now begins its industrial transformation. Precise coordination keeps the massive supply chain alive with every passing hour. Ahead stands the machine that transforms harvest into industry. Every shipment is tracked before entering the industrial chain. The factory operates like a perfectly timed machine. The factory operates like a perfectly timed machine. The unloading process begins with exact positioning. Gravity and machinery work together to move the harvest forward. From this moment, the factory takes control of the process. Every stem is checked before industrial processing begins. Every stem is checked before automation instantly separates coal from waste. Every stem is checked before Every stem is checked before Even the waste stream is carefully controlled inside the facility. Digital systems measure every detail with industrial precision.
Continuous movement keeps the factory operating without interruption. Inside the intake hall, raw harvest becomes organized production. The next stage prepares every stem for industrial refinement. At sunrise, the factory awakens for another non-stop production cycle. At sunrise, the factory awakens for Thousands of skilled hands power the system every day. The factory strict preparation protects both workers and production quality. Every entry point is controlled with industrial hygiene standards. Every entry point is controlled with industrial hygiene standards.
The entire factory is guided by real-time industrial data. The factory's conveyor network moves like a living bloodstream. The factory's conveyor network moves like a living bloodstream. Heat and pressure drive the factory's massive processing power. Constant inspection keeps the giant system operating safely. Beyond these doors, raw harvest enters industrial transformation. Every movement inside the facility follows precise coordination. Every movement inside the facility follows precise coordination. Now the factory begins the intensive cleaning process. The first industrial wash removes the plantation from every stem. Every unwanted particle is separated before processing continues. Powerful rinsing prepares the material for precision sorting. Every unwanted particle is separated before processing continues. Only premium material continues deeper into the factory. Only premium material continues deeper into the factory. Technology measures what the human eye cannot fully detect. Mechanical scrubbing strips away the final traces of field residue.
Precise grading ensures each machine receives the right material.
Prepares the stems for fiber separation. Prepares the stems for fiber separation. The factory pulls valuable fibers from the heart of each stem. Multiple refinement stages improve the purity of the extracted fibers. Every part of the stem is separated for industrial use. Multiple refinement of the extracted fibers. Multiple refinement of the extracted fibers. Heat removes moisture while preserving the strength of the fibers. The extracted fibers. Heat removes moisture while preserving the strength of the fibers. The extracted fibers. Heat removes moisture while preserver is categorized for its specific industrial purpose. The extracted fibers. Heat removes moisture. Even discarded pulp becomes part of the factory ecosystem. The extracted fibers. Heat removes moisture. The factory transforms thousands of stems into extracted fibers. Heat removes moisture. The factory transforms thousands of stems into extracted fibers. Heat removes moisture. Heat removes moisture.
The fibers are transformed into precise industrial forms.
Refined fiber fibers. Heat removes moisture.
Specialized treatment enhances durability and industrial performance.
Refined fiber fibers. Heat removes moisture.
Filtration removes impurities while preserving valuable material.
Refined fiber fibers. Heat removes moisture.
Filtration removes impurities while preserving valuable material.
Refined fiber fibers. Heat removes Pressure transforms loose fibers into stable material. Cooling stabilizes the material before precision finishing begins. Precision alignment ensures flawless industrial consistency. Precision alignment ensures flawless industrial consistency. Even the smallest leftover material returns to the system. Surface refinement gives the material its final industrial finish. This is the industrial heart of the banana stem factory.
Automation now controls nearly every movement inside the factory. Every transfer happens with machine-level accuracy. High-speed inspection systems detect flaws invisible to the human eye. Exact measurements guarantee industrial consistency. Exact measurements guarantee industrial consistency. Automation shapes the material into transport-ready form. Protective wrapping preserves quality during storage and transport. Protective wrapping preserves quality during storage and transport. Robotic systems prepare thousands of products for shipment. Self-guided vehicles move products without interrupting production flow. Behind the machines, human oversight keeps the system balanced. The finishing stage perfects every detail before inspection. The finishing stage, every surface is refined to industrial perfection. Precision cutting ensures flawless uniformity across every product.
Final pressure adjustments lock stability into the material. Final pressure adjustments lock stability into the material. Careful curing completes the protective finishing process, transport and storage. Careful curing completes the protective finishing process, transport and storage. Each product carries the identity of its production line. Final digital checks confirm production accuracy. The products are now secured for industrial distribution. Perfect alignment protects products during global transport. Heavy-duty sealing secures every pallet for shipment. The finishing division delivers industrial consistency at enormous scale. Before shipment, every product must pass strict inspection. Every finished product must prove its quality before release. Representative samples are taken from every production batch. Strength testing confirms the material can handle industrial demand. Precise moisture control protects long-term product stability. Microscopic analysis reveals details invisible during production. Microscopic analysis reveals with exact industrial precision. The material must remain stable through every stage of distribution. Thermal testing ensures the products survive harsh environments. Durability testing guarantees protection global shipment. Only certified products can leave the factory floor. Human expertise delivers the final approval. Products that fail inspection never enter the supply chain. After inspection, the products are finally cleared for shipment. The final stage prepares the products for the world beyond the factory. The final journey begins in the packaging hall.
Industrial wrapping ensures complete protection during transport. Each truck carries a complete cycle of production to the world. Each truck carries a complete cycle of production to the world.
Inside this system, nothing is left unorganized. Every shift ends with the success of a completed cycle. The product now leaves the factory behind. And this is how modern industry transforms banana stems into global innovation. Comment, what's next?